The sea, a vast expanse of tranquility and mystery, whispers tales of forgotten dreams and uncharted horizons. Here, amidst the drunken lull of the waves, I find solace in the echoes of a past marked by struggles and resilience. The burden of financial woes, a heavy anchor that threatened to drag me beneath the surface. Countless nights spent counting pennies, navigating the turbulent waters of survival in pursuit of a dream that seemed to drift farther away with each passing tide.
So guys, sa inyo net sa kuha. Media ko. Ikaw, sa mo
Ay, dili sa nanday ko kay busog pa ko.
Mocked, marginalized, and cast aside for daring to embrace my truth. The weight of society's judgment, a tempest that raged within. Yet in the darkness, a spark of defiance ignited, a flame of resilience that refused to be extinguished.
Guys, look who's here. Bayot na, bugok pa.
A friend, a confidant, a pillar of strength in times of weakness, their unwavering presence a reminder that I was not alone in my struggles, that true friendship transcends barriers of gender, race, and identity.
Hi, Weng. Kumusta na?
Ay, okay naman ko.
Sulan po ako na offer ni mga trabaho. So, nindot ni siya kay maka-earn jud ka og profit dako-dako. Pero kinahanglan po siya nimong trabahoan jud. So, paningkamutan nimo siya. So, if interested ka, so, just call me para interview ka. So, mo lang to siya ako ang i-share sa imuha.
Thank you for your offer. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Welcome.
Amidst the echoes of the sea's whispers, I find myself drawn to the solemn sanctuary of the church, where the sacred embrace of faith offers refuge in times of uncertainty. The unyielding pursuit of perfection, a battleground of exams and expectations that demanded nothing short of excellence. Each grade, each test, a testament to my worth, a struggle for recognition in a world that sought to diminish my light.
Kita na, 50 kung ikaw. No, ikaw ka. Ako for the number 50 na ko. Sila ka na, 1 isa.
In the depths of despair, I found myself adrift in a sea of darkness, the tendrils of depression wrapping around me like chains, suffocating my spirit with their icy grip.
Guys, look who's here. Bayot na, bugok pa. Kita na, 50 kung ikaw. Bilang nalito ka this past few days, okay ra ka?
Yes, I have a lot of problems. Usa na academically, minor and major subjects, naapay bullies nga classmates, naapay financial problem, and family as well.
Ma-okay na siya when ngayon na imay na mga nambulis sa imo ka di man na sila makatabang. Focus sa mga positives na alam ni willing mo tabang sa imo ang. Wala, maglingaw-lingaw na lang ta. Wala na, mga pinunta nila.
In the act of opening up, of baring my soul to those I hold dear, I found a reservoir of strength I never knew existed. For in vulnerability, I discovered the true measure of courage, the willingness to lay bare the scars that adorned my spirit. And then, amidst the crashing waves of uncertainty, she found herself enveloped in the warmth of friendship. With trembling courage, she laid bare her fears and insecurities, trusting in the bond forged through shared laughters and tears. This vast expanse of air above, a reminder that beyond the tumultuous waves lies a realm of endless possibilities and boundless horizons, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, or whispers of hope that lingers in the breeze.